Rowan Atkinson's car collection is as unique as the man himself. Over the years, he has carefully curated an impressive lineup of British and German automobiles, auctioning off a few while keeping the majority. Today, we're taking a closer look at the vehicles owned by the legendary Mr.BEAN. Stick around till the end. We'll reveal his most prized possession, an ultra-rare and incredibly valuable machine rarely spotted in public. Kicking off the list is the 1964 Ford Falcon Sprint, a race-spec model Atkinson acquired in 2006 and later sold at auction in 2021 for $77,000, approximate £56,250. This car wasn't just for show. Atkinson took it to the track, even surviving a head-on collision during the 2014 Goodwood Revival's Shelby Cup race with only minor damage. Unlike the standard Falcon's 2.4-litre inline-six, the Sprint packed a 4.7-litre V8, serving as the foundation for the iconic 1964 Ford Mustang. Next up is the 1993 Mercedes-Benz 500e, which Atkinson auctioned in 2018 alongside a 1989 Lancia Thema. While the final sale price remains undisclosed, similar models have fetched $100,800 at auction. Originally a Japanese market left-hand drive import, this car had around 50,000 miles when sold. Designed to rival the BMW M5, the 500e could hit 0 to 62 miles per hour in 6.1 seconds with a 155 miles per hour top speed. Still in Atkinson's garage is the 2014 Mercedes-Benz SLS AMG Coupe, a gull-winged beast with an original MSRP of $202,000. Despite its low-slung design, making entry tricky for the tall comedian, he was spotted driving this right-hand drive model in London. With a 0 to 60 mile per hour time of 3.4 seconds and a 197 mile per hour top speed, the SLS AMG delivered thrilling performance, aided by its lightning-fast gearbox and lightweight components. A surprising entry in Atkinson's collection is the 2002 Honda NSX, a facelifted model with fixed headlights and stiffer suspension. Finished in blue, this VTEC-powered V6 could rev up to 8,300 RPM. While still in his possession, pristine examples of the NSX have sold for $205,000. Atkinson's love for Aston Martin began with the 1977 V8 Vantage, which he bought in 1984 as the third owner. Originally a left-hand drive car, it was later converted to right-hand drive. Now up for auction with an estimated $180,000 to $220,000 price tag, this classic could hit 175 miles per hour and accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5.2 seconds. One of the rarest cars in his fleet is the Bentley Mulsanne Birkin Edition, a European exclusive limited to just 22 units. While Atkinson's purchase price is unknown, a standard Mulsanne starts it named after British racing legend Sir Henry "Tim" Birkin. This ultra-luxury sedan came in only 3 exclusive color options. Atkinson's 2011 Rolls-Royce Phantom Drophead is no ordinary luxury convertible. His model reportedly houses a 9.0-litre V16 engine, a prototype powertrain never officially released. While standard models use a 6.75-litre V12, this $500,000 North Shore Blue Phantom remains a mystery, with Rolls-Royce never disclosing performance figures. A true piece of automotive history, Atkinson's 1939 BMW 328 Roadster is the actual Mille Miglia winning race car. Still in his collection, this silver classic weighs just 1,830 pounds, thanks to its aluminum body and steel ladder frame. Even standard versions sell for $621,000, making this one priceless. Next is the 1986 Aston Martin Vive 8 Zagato, a car with an incredible story. Rowan bought it for around $670,000, and spent another $300,000 modifying it into a race car. Despite its massive investment, he eventually sold it for just $162,323. A huge loss. But it remains one of the rarest Aston Martins ever made. And now, the crown jewel of Rowan Atkinson's collection, the 1997 McLaren F1. This legendary supercar recently sold for an eye-watering $12.2 million at auction. Rowan bought it new for around $1 million and drove it over 41,000 miles. But it's not just about the price. Rowan famously crashed it twice, including a serious accident in 2011 that cost $1.4 million to repair. Even with the mishaps, the McLaren F1 remains one of the most iconic cars ever made.